Welcome to this channel. Today we are going to explore Sri Lanka, the pearl of the Indian Ocean. Before we go into the video, please subscribe this channel and press bell button to get notifications of upcoming videos. Now we go into the video. Sri Lanka is a tropical island nation in South Asia known for its rich history, diverse culture, and stunning natural beauty. Sri Lanka, located in the Indian Ocean, has a long and storied history with ancient civilizations, colonial rule, and a struggle for independence. Sri Lanka has a tropical climate with two main seasons, dry and wet, and varying temperatures depending on the region. The capital is Sri Jayavardenepura Kotte, while the commercial capital is Colombo, and other major areas include Kandy, Galle, and Negombo. The population is around 22 million people with a mix of Sinhalese, Tamils, Muslims, and other ethnic groups. Sri Lanka is predominantly Buddhist with significant Hindu, Muslim, and Christian populations. The official languages are Sinhala and Tamil, while English is widely spoken. Sri Lankan culture is known for its rich heritage, including traditional dance, music, and art. The country has a well-developed education system with many universities and institutions. Sri Lanka has a developing economy with a focus on agriculture, manufacturing, and services. The per capita income is relatively low with a tax system that includes income tax and value added tax. Sri Lanka is a presidential democracy with a president and a parliament. The government has implemented various policies aimed at promoting economic growth, reducing poverty, and improving infrastructure. Sri Lanka is divided into 9 provinces and 25 districts. The country is rich in natural reserves, including tea, rubber, coconut, and precious stones. Some popular tourist attractions include Sigiriya Rock Fortress, Temple of the Tooth, Yala National Park, Galle Fort. Sri Lanka's areas are known for their natural beauty, rich history, and cultural heritage. The country offers many employment opportunities, particularly in the tourism, agriculture, and manufacturing sectors. Sri Lanka has a growing manufacturing sector with a focus on textiles, garments, and food processing. Agriculture is a significant sector with major crops including tea, rubber, coconut, and rice. Sri Lanka has a growing trade sector with major exports including textiles, tea, and rubber. The country offers many business and investment opportunities, particularly in the tourism, manufacturing, and infrastructure sectors. Sri Lanka has laws and regulations that support business and investment, including tax incentives and investment promotion. The country has a developing transportation network, including roads, railways, and ports. Sri Lanka rupee. The Sri Lankan rupee is the local currency, and the country has a well developed banking system. Sri Lanka offers a wide range of accommodation options, from luxury hotels to budget friendly guest houses. Getting a local SIM card in Sri Lanka is relatively easy, with many telecommunications providers offering affordable plans. Visitors to Sri Lanka should dress modestly and respect local customs. Sri Lankan cuisine is known for its rich flavors, with popular dishes including rice and curry, hoppers, and string hoppers. Some transportation and travel tips for Sri Lanka include using tuk-tuks or taxis for short journeys, avoiding traveling during peak hours. Do's and don'ts. Respect local customs and traditions. Remove shoes when entering temples or homes. Use a right hand when eating or giving or receiving objects. The Sri Lankan flag features a golden lion, and the national anthem is Sri Lanka Mata. Visitors to Sri Lanka require a valid passport, and some nationalities may require a visa. Planning a trip to Sri Lanka requires considering the best time to visit, accommodation options, and activities like visiting ancient cities, national parks, and beaches. A day to day agenda in Sri Lanka might include visiting historical sites like Anuradhapuram and Palana, Palanaruva, exploring national parks like Yala and Vilpattu, relaxing are beaches like Negombo and Mirisa. Sri Lanka is generally a safe country, but visitors should take normal precautions to protect themselves and their belongings. The cost of living in Sri Lanka is relatively low, making it an attractive destination for tourists and expats. Sri Lanka plays an active role in regional and international affairs, particularly in the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation (SARC). Sri Lanka is known for its rich cultural heritage, stunning natural beauty, and friendly people. The country celebrates various cultural festivals and events, including the Yasala Pera Hera festival in Kandy. Sri Lanka is working to address environmental challenges, including conservation of natural resources and protection of wildlife. Sri Lanka is a unique and fascinating country, offering many opportunities for tourists, businesses, and investors with its rich history, culture, and natural beauty. Thank you for seeing this video. Please subscribe this channel and press bell button to get notifications of upcoming videos. Thank you.